Hey, good evening, Miss Levine. How are you?
I'm good. Just please call me Hannah.
All right, Hannah. Well, thank you again for meeting with me today, and taking time out of your nights.
Yeah, no problem.
As you know from our previous interaction, I work for Grill Tech Industrial Cookware. How much do you know about our company?
Well, I know that your company is becoming a household name among many restaurants in the area, but other than that, not that much really.
Yeah, so Grill Tech Industrial Cookware is a corporation that started here in Nebraska, opening up in 2011 originally. What we specialize in is restaurant grade cooking equipment like flat top griddles, deep fryers, stove tops, and even wok stoves. What separates us from the other competition is the ability for our equipment to run off of solar power. This keeps overall price of electricity for restaurants to be low, helping the environment be cleaner, but while having the same great taste and look of gas or flame products. Sounds too good to be true, huh?
Honestly, yeah.
So let me ask you, how much do you pay for electricity in your utilities of the restaurant?
It's about $3,000 a month.
Just replacing your current equipment with our flat top and stove top alone will just save you right around 37% on your bill.
Wait, I'm actually spending that much more on my regular equipment compared to solar power?
You actually are. Our equipment does not need 30 to 45 minutes to heat up like other standard equipments. That's going to save you money there. Our equipment also stays at a steady temperature, so it doesn't fluctuate too warm or too cold, and that kind of adjusts the price of electricity as well. So that saves you money here as well. Would the money you save by using my equipment benefit you in any way?
Absolutely, it would.
Have you had any other problems with maintenance of your equipment?
I had mixed experiences with the company of the equipment either helping within 1 to 2 business days or having to be on hold for 6 hours for them to send someone out within 3 weeks.
Yeah, that's kind of a pain, right? Would having a local maintenance worker be helpful?
Yeah, incredibly helpful because my equipment tends to need a checkup about 2 to 3 times a year.
Yeah, so Grill Tech has a team of maintenance workers set in a about 2 to 3 hour radius from each other, and a full-time team of receptionists to ensure any equipment needed can be sent out, or any maintenance of our equipment can be sent out within 1 to 2 business days minimum, with most of our calls being available for fixing within 12 hours of the call. Does this sound less stressful to take care of when an incident happens?
More than you'll ever know.
Yeah, is your equipment easy to work with, you'd say?
Yes and no.
Does the food tend to be inconsistent with cooking based on your equipment and not like your chefs?
Yeah, my equipment tends not to work well towards the later end of the day because it overheats, and this leads to burning the food or the food sticking to the equipment.
Yeah, our equipment is super operator friendly to use. All you need to do is set the temperature to, your required temperature, and this won't rise or drop drastically randomly within 16 hours of use. This ensures the consistency of cooking and minimal equipment errors like sticking or burning that you say. Once you're done with the equipment, all you got to do is simply turn it off and clean as instructed. How does our equipment compare to your current equipment?
Like I said prior, it's too good to be true.